welcome to HN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clinton D'Souza, and here are the top stories. On Wednesday, the State Transport Minister said that nearly 2,934 taxi permits will be cancelled for not installing digital meters. The government has increased taxi fare by Rs 3 per kilometer. Digital meter booking centers have been increased from 4 to 8 centers. The government has also instructed the taxi owners who series from 0 to 1 to install digital meters by 25th of July. Presently, taxi fares revised in Goa. Rupees 24 will be charged for the first kilometer and 21 for every subsequent kilometer. We at HCN spoke to TTAG, Savia Messiah, over government's plan to cancel permits if digital meters are not installed. He has welcomed the decision and reiterated his stand for digital meters for taxis in Goa.
This problem has been going on for the last at least 4 or 5 years. This is the third petition we have filed. Now it's time that the taxi drivers knew years ago that they had to install meters. So I'm not surprised if the licenses are going to be cancelled. But regarding the rate, the taxi rates in Goa are the highest in the country, one of the highest. I think they stand second or third in the country. So there was no really necessity to increase the taxi rates further. But nevertheless, okay, the government has increased it. The taxi drivers should be happy about it, that they are the highest paid taxi drivers in the country. The government is justified in suspending the licenses because they've given them the carrot so many times. And now they deserve the stick.
But however, there are some taxi operators who are still adamant that they will not install the taxi. So what do you have to say on that? I mean, that they're adamant that they will not install the meters. So what do you have to say on that? There are handful of them who are adamant.
They have no choice. They have to install the meters. Taxi drivers all over the world and all over the country are installing meters. And why can't they be honest enough? The problem is they've got used to fleecing the clients and the tourists. So now that's why they are resenting the fixing of meters. I don't see anything wrong in fixing meters, and nobody's supporting them. It's going to benefit not only the tourists, even the local people. If taxis become economical, the locals will start using it. And mind you, the rent back has grown to such a level. It's because the taxis were exorbitant.
Meanwhile, we also got in touch with Taxi Association over this issue.
तेंच्यांनी जे ऑर्डर्स काडलेली ताका आमी ऑब्जेक्शनय घातलां रिगार्डिंग द मिटर्स. आतां तो म्हणटा की मिटर्स आमी फ्री दिता म्हणून. आतां हे मिटर्स फ्री दिता म्हणून सांगता हो आनी आमकां मिटर बसय म्हणून सांगता. आमच्या गोंयान मोटर व्हेकल्स ऑल गोवा ट्युरिस्ट व्हेकल्स तांकां ऑलरेडी मिटराची प्रॅक्टीस आसा आनी ती व्हेरीफायड बाय वेट एंड मेजर एंड मेट्रोलॉजी ऑफ गोवा आनी ती करेक्टली चलता एज पर सेंट्रल गायडलायनी प्रमाणे खंयच मिटर बसना. आनी हे आमकां प्रेशरायज करता की हे मिटर फिट करपाचें. आयज हे जे सांगतात हायकोर्टाची ऑर्डर, आयज हायकोर्टाक आमचो फॉर्मर डायरेक्टर ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट हेणी अटर्नी ऑफ गोवा ताका मिसगायड करून म्हणजे ताका मिसलीड करून कितें तरी सांगलां आनी त्या कोर्टाक तेंच्यांनी जे TTAGन जे पिटिशन घातलां थंयसर हे तेंच्यांनी दाखोवन दिलां आनी मिटर फिट कर म्हणून सांगता. सेंट्रल गायडलायन प्रमाणे हांगासर ऑल इंडिया आनी 3 स्टेट परमीट हे जे आसा ट्युरिस्ट परमीट आसा ताका बसना मिटर. हें तेंच्यांनी क्लियरिटी दाखोवपाक जाय न्हू. बेश्टेच ते आमकां प्रेशरायज करता मिटर बसया क्लियरिटी येतली. अरे क्लियरिटी येवपाक आमी तुमकां कितकीशी सजेशनाय दिल्ली आसा पयलीं, ती कोण पळयना.
From fallow to fertile, the youth of Chikalim has achieved what was thought to be impossible. Cultivate what was considered untouchable. The efforts have ensured a green revolution in the area. I went to ground zero and spoke to the green heroes.
Most of us are aware of the Chikalim Youth Farmers Club, who have begun mechanized farming and cultivated nearly 4 lakh square meters of land. Today we at HCN spoke to some of the young farmers about their experience and challenges they faced during their journey of farming, and some youth of Goa have also urged other Goans not to sell their fields, instead cultivate them. Here, some young farmers have also taken fields of others, wherein they will grow crops and then hand over the paddy to them back. Watch.
So, आमगे फर्स्ट इशू आहलो तो तिसऱ्यां लागून आहलोलो. आमी थोडी जाण मेळोन यूथ सेफ तिसऱ्योज म्हूण ग्रुप केलो आनी आमगे मेंटरान सजेस्ट केलें की लेट्स कॉल इट बे वॉचर्स. सो इट वॉज अ basic idea where we go and tell people not to take out tisrios so that we save it for the future generation. My teshi mukar oita we stuck together, group ullo, ani around July amko ek new activity eli, agricultural activity eli, rombop and tombop mun. So tinga amge first shetant activities ali where a lot of youth came. आमगे फार्मरान आमकां कॉल दिलो कित्याक तेंगे लेबरर्स मेळना आहलोले तेंगे शेतांत काम करपाक. सो आमी यूथ गेली मुखार आनी तो एक्टिविटी केलो. सो आफ्टर दॅट आर मेंटर्स डिसायडेड, फादर पॉल मॅक्स एंड कॅप्टन विलियातो डिसायडेड, लेट्स कम अप विथ चिकालिम यूथ फार्मर्स क्लब.
Being a farmer for me is a very exciting job. I've never done farming before, so it is very fascinating for me. But I have to put in a lot of hard work and my time. I have to also manage my college, my studies. So I think if I manage my time correctly, I can do farming as well. It's good to be a part of CYFC.
I think that now farming need not be our primary job, but it can definitely be done on the side as a hobby, and it is something that youth should take up at least once in a lifetime. We need to go into the field, dirty our hands and do that hard work, get tired and have sore muscles. The mechanical transplantation of rice saplings, we cultivated 3 fields which comes up to nearly 20,000 square meters. We did this with the help of Goensa Shetkar. They helped us with mechanical farming. A job that would otherwise take around 2 weeks to do by hand was done in around a day. So we started with first clearing up the field, and the tractor did work on it, and then we had the mechanical farming. Now this mechanical farming really speeds up the process, and so we are really grateful to Goensa Shetkar for helping us to take this forward. I think this gives hope to other youth and other people around Goa who find themselves busy with other jobs.
शेत एसको पिडार करप न्हू, कल्टिवेट करता तितलें बरें. कितें जायना जाल्यार बिश्तो होप सोडप न्हू, पूण ट्राय करपाचें. ट्राय केल्यार सगळें जाता सक्सेस.
So what do you have to say on people not farming their fields? What will be your message for them to go ahead in farming?
आतां तुमी चोयला आसतलें जाय जाणा आपल्या फार्मींग नाका, कित्याक कल्टिवेशन आहे, कित्याक हात गायना तें आपल्या जमीन निकताय आनी एसको व्हडले व्हडले प्रोजेक्ट हाडटाय. सो ते एग्रीकल्चर खातीर डिस्ट्रॉय जाता. सो तेश करप न्हू, आनी सगळी यूथ आनी सगळी वडील मुखार सरून आमचे शेत बाट आसा तें आमी राखपाक जाय.
Further, tell us, earlier on you were saying the fields were completely fallow and barren. So whose fields were these, and how did the youth start farming in those fields? Because the fields are not theirs. So how did they even convince the original landowners that this was possible?
Yeah, initially the field that they helped in cultivating last year belonged to one serious farmer from Chikali, Mr. Kaitan, and they are cultivating every year. Now next to his field there are fields that were cultivated perhaps 25 years back, but now they are left fallow. So after doing that, we said we should do something more in reviving agriculture in Chikali. So we tried to find out who are the owners of these neighboring fields, and we got the owners, and all the owners gave the same reason that it is not possible to cultivate that, it is not financially viable, no labor, and there is nobody to take care of it. So the youth said, if we are given a chance to work in these fallow fields, perhaps we could even turn it into cultivable fields.
Correct.
So that is when we said, you give us your fields. And the owners from Chikali, they were very happy to say, okay, go forward. Normally, even in the Munkar Act, when we come over there, the Bhatkars are afraid that the Munkars will take away their land, and that is why many of the fields are left fallow. So before even starting, we made that first statement with the owners that in no way is the youth or this group called as Chikali Youth Farmers Club, in no way are we going to claim any ownership. It is only that we are cultivating, you are the owner forever. And I think that was very much required. So their ownership remains with them and our work remains with us.
The cryptocurrency craze, which has taken over the world in the past few years, has reached a point wherein middle school students in India are participating and excelling. One such student, a 13-year-old, Gajesh Naik, a creator of Polygaj, a cryptocurrency money managing ecosystem. Gajesh is a class 8 student at People's High School in Panjim. Last year, he started creating online educational content when the country was under lockdown with the first wave of COVID-19 pandemic. The content produced by Gajesh was meant to be a help primary school students from vernacular schools as physical classes were shut down due to the pandemic. This year, Gajesh has developed 2 dApps on the Polygon network, the app Polygaj and StableGaj, that provides users access to crypto investing. Today, he was felicitated by his school for this invention.
Gradually, the entire shape of the world will change with this digital money. So Gajesh has done wonders. I think it's time that it should be connected to the right people across, and in my own capacity, plus on the strength of my friends whom I am connected to, I can assure him all the support. But I am sure there are a lot more people in this country who are more hungry to also tap this kind of resource. I think they will also come forward and support him. Today, real jewels of Goa are people like Gajesh, and Goa government should actually come out with a system which taps this talent at a very young age and start supporting them. I'm not saying the bureaucracy and all. I'm saying they should create mentors within Goa.
Till now, when he was this pandemic in India, never he was questioned. He used to just say yes, he has to attend this and so workshop at Margaon. So please leave him early. None of the time the notes were never turned down. So that's how we were enrolled, and yes, the school also supports. And today's felicitation must be the part of it.
Have you ever thought of this could happen?
I never. To be honest, I never.
So you're happy and proud?
I should be. I should be. But let's not wait on the things that have been taken. We have to take the things forward, and ultimately this should contribute to the economy of India.
Both are two decentralized projects on the Ethereum blockchain. Gush Finance is focusing on creating a one-stop DeFi NFT platform on multi-chain, which include Ethereum mainnet, Polygon, and Avalanche. Daksh is basically focusing on decentralized derivatives, creating a decentralized stock options with Chainlink, and yeah.
What made you create this project? What piqued your interest in this field?
So blockchains, like anybody with an internet connection can join this space. So if you compare it with centralized finance, if you are under 18, you cannot build anything in the finance industry. But in decentralized finance, you may be of any region or any age, you can just go and build your products.
Did you have any help with this? Like, did you go to someone getting knowledge how to do like the reins?
Yeah, so like 5 years ago, like I started coding. Like there, I got help from GITP.
On one side, Goa government recently passed the Goa Bhumiputra Adhikari bill, and the other side, the 20 years old house is being demolished in Kankalim for violating CRZ rules. On Tuesday, the CRZ authorities demolished the house of Anuja Naik at Kankalim as per NGT's order.
आमचे आयज तेंच्यांनी आमकां नोटीस ना कांय ना डायरेक्टली येयले आनी आमच्या मोडूंक लागला म्हणजे आमी एनजीटीक तरी गेल्ली बट हे जे येल्लो एक स्ट्रक्चर हांगासर जो देल्ली घरांनी घेतला आमच्याच लोकांनी तांकां दिला तो थंयसर ते कांय करिना ते आमी सांगलें तांकां ते मोडा कित्याक आमचें सामान सगळें सामान हांगा रस्त्यार हाडचें पडलां ताका सांगलें आमी खाली करता टायम दिया म्हणून ते पयलीं मोडा ते मोडिना डायरेक्ट गेले आनी म्हणलें पुलिसांनी आमकां सगळ्यांक फाटीं घाली रापूस म्हणटा PI तुमी व्हिडिओ काडूं काय नाका काडूं हांवें म्हटल्यार पयलीं ते मोडा म्हटलें ते कित्याक मोडिना ते देल्ली घरांचे म्हणून ते मोडिनात ते मोडा न्हू कित्याक ताका CR ताका पयलीं लागता ताका लागून हेजेर येयला आमचे सगळ्यांचेर गोंयकारांक जर ते अशे त्रास करतात आनी पुलीस फोर्स कितलो हाडला आमकां मारपाक खंय आनी सांगता आमकां सेव करूंक हाडला खंय आमचेर गुणे बिणे पडात
तो काय फुडें म्हाका फोन मारलो हांव जोगिंगाक वयतालो म्हाका सांगिना फुडें म्हाका शॉक जालो हांवें फ्रांसिसाक फोन मारलो बाबा आमचे धानूर भावाचें म्हळ्यार घर आयज मोडपाक सोदता म्हणून हांव येयलो जावन तेणी आमकां टायम वचून दिवंक ना रापोसाक हांवें सांगलें साहेब म्हणलें कितें तांकां म्हणल्यार 3 म्हयने पयलीं नोटिसा दिलेली हांवें एका हाडलो आनी चाललें साहेबाच्या फुड्यान कितें साहेब म्हणालो हो सांगलो आमकां दिवकूच ना काल खंय हांकां सांजचें कळ्ळां आतां पळय हे आतां आमी सामान भायर काडलां हें कितें आमी कितें घाटी रे भूमिपुत्रा म्हणटा मरे चोरवार खंय तुजी आयज हे गोंयकारांक आतां गोंयकार रस्त्यार वळले ते पयले पळय वळच्या आतां इतली घरां बांदलेली आहा सगळे मायग्रंट आनी हे आमचे घाटी सगळे आमी फाटल्या दिसांनी तांकां सांगलेले ही घरां तुमी बांदले ती मोडा म्हणून वोटिंगाक इलेक्शनाक हेका लागून तेंची घरां दवरले आनी हेची घरां कोट्याय अकोलो कायदो आयज सरकार खंय दिला हांगा तांकां मातशें तरी हेल्प करपाचो आमी गोंयकार म्हणून आमी घाटी जाले आतां आनी घाटयांक गोंयकार गेले जाणा मरे हे तुमकां हांव सगळ्या गोंयकारांक सांगता आयज आमकां जाला फाल्यां तुमकां जातले ताका लागून सगळ्या गोंयकारांनी उठपाचें आनी हे कितें आतां पळोवपाचें आयज बेचार वचून पळया हे दिल्लीकाराचे सगळे हांगा घरां बांदलेली डिस्को गेले तांकां तें पडना हे गोरिबाचे पळयता पळय न्हिदल्या तुमी हे पळया आयज हो भाव आमचो म्हाका चूक लागले हेजे हे जालां म्हणून आनी हेची
And now for the weather forecast. As per IMD Goa, the state will witness heavy rainfall over the next 24 hours. Rain is likely to be accompanied with wind speed of 50 kilometers per hour. The fishermen are advised not to venture into the sea. Well, that's all we have in today's news bulletin. For more updates, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, HCN Goa, or follow us on Twitter and Facebook at Oharardo. Until then, goodbye and take care.